ensure your case studies reflect today's rapidly shifting regulatory landscapes without rebuilding your curriculum from scratch. Try using Gemini Deep Research to modernize legacy materials by identifying current industry and legal disruptions in seconds. Imagine you're teaching a law module on copyright exceptions using a foundational case study from the 90s, decades before the rise of generative AI.
In Gemini, upload your existing case study. Then select Deep Research and enter this prompt. Identify a current legal successor to this legacy case focusing on AI-generated creative works. Compare this original ruling with the latest US and EU precedents. Provide a summary of the legal shift and 3 student discussion questions on the conflict.
Gemini doesn't just scan the surface. It autonomously crawls hundreds of specialized sources, from legal databases to current regulatory filings, synthesizing a massive volume of data into a single coherent update. It bridges the gap between historical theory and the complexities of modern practice in seconds, delivering a comprehensive research report that maps these new legal precedents directly onto your original lesson plan. To extend this idea, why not ask Gemini to create a moot court simulation comparing this legacy ruling against current AI disruptions, include roles for defense and prosecution, judges' instructions, and 3 modern legal arguments for each side. This prompt produces a detailed simulation, including specific modern legal arguments, witness roles, and judges' instructions based on the latest regulatory findings. Leveraging Gemini Deep Research allows you to rapidly refresh aging course content, shifting your time from baseline research to driving high-impact learning on current market realities. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to gemini.google.com to get started.